Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Right. Yesterday, we have seen how to work with callback interfaces. What do you mean by callback method, guys? The method that will be called by underlying environment automatically is called callback method. What do you mean by callback interface, guys? The interface that contains callback methods declaration is called callback interface. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. So the method that is given by callback interface. Why callback interfaces are given? When I use direct methods, we are getting results, but we are not getting results as expected. So to get the results in a customized manner, we need to take the support of what? Callback interfaces. We need to take the support of callback interfaces. This is what we discussed in other day's class or not? Right. Okay, now listen. Class content here, Spring here. Okay, next what? NTSP 613. No. FS Spring JDBC. Here is my callback interfaces story, boss. No OS, check your side. From my side, no problem. Okay. Now I said one statement about inner classes, guys. Everyone remember that inner class? Yes. I said one statement about inner classes. Total 4 types of inner classes are there. When should I use each inner class? If inner class logic is required in specific method of outer class. Come on, guys. If inner class logic is required in specific non-static methods of outer class, then go for normal inner class. If inner class logics are required in specific multiple static methods of outer class, okay, go for what? Nested inner class, static inner class. If inner class logics are required only in one method definition, local inner class. If inner class logics are required only in one method call, then think about going for what, guys? Anonymous. Okay, what is that? Anonymous inner class. That inner class will not have a name, guys. That's why it is called anonymous inner class. October 12th, guys. Okay, now let's come back. Okay, now listen carefully. Right now, I need this inner class logic in the entire class. Please respond. I need this inner class logic in the entire class in multiple methods of outer class. No. At least do I need in a multiple times in a single method definition? Do I need for multiple times in a single method definition? No. Do I need for multiple times in a single method definition? No. We need one in one method call. Are you noticing it? We need in one method call. Am I using this inner class multiple places or only in one place? Only in one place, right? Come on. Yeah, when inner class logics are required, only in one method call. Only in one method call. What should I do? When inner class logics are required only in one method call, What should I do? What should I need? What should I use? Definitely we need to think about going for what? Anonymous inner class. What do you say, guys? Definitely we should think about going for what? Anonymous inner class. Agree with me? In this situation, we definitely need to work with what? Anonymous inner class. What class, guys? Anonymous inner class. I hope are you comfortable? Definitely we need to think about anonymous inner class. Yes, guys. So, right. Let me improvise the logic towards anonymous inner class now. DAO IMPL. I'm commenting this entire logic, guys. Here I'm using normal inner class, but I'm implementing method. Yes. Have a look now. Employee EMP is equal to query for object. Okay, query for object. Now, query for object. Now listen carefully. Query for object. New row mapper of open floor bracket, closing floor bracket, comma. Okay, argument value. What is the argument value? ENO. Argument value is ENO. New row mapper of first parameter, second parameter, third parameter. First parameter is query. Second parameter is what? Anonymous inner class object, guys. Here is my logic. What is the logic? Map row method. And here is the logic to copy result set record into employee class object. Say paste. Return EMP. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. Sir, why it is giving a red mark? Why? Because here I would like to say employee. So accordingly, return type also becomes employee. That's it. Okay. Right. Floor bracket. End of the method. Okay. This is end of inner class. Anonymous inner class. Core Java depthness. Now you will realize. Okay. Right, guys. This is okay. Right. This is arg1. This is arg1. This to this arg2, guys. This to this arg2. And this is going to be arg3. Okay. This is arg2. Lastly, okay, I am saying return EMP. End of the method. Okay, guys. Now listen. This is anonymous. Anonymous means nameless. Nameless is called anonymous. Array, you are traveling on the road. Someone came and hit and run away. So you will go to police station and you will give complaint. An anonymous person hitted me and run away. So anonymous means nameless person, unknown person. Here inner class without name is called anonymous class, guys. Inner class without name is called anonymous class, guys. Okay, argument 1, this 2, this is argument 2, this is argument 3. Everyone getting my point? Super. Let's see. Now we are still getting the output here or not? We are still getting the output here or not? Come on. Right. So how does it execute? I'll explain now. Concentrate. Same execution is same, guys. Gets a data source object. Using the data source object, gets connection object from connection pool. Using connection object, create prepared statement object having this query as precompiled query. Having the given query as what? Precompiled query. Now listen carefully. Executes the query, gets the result set object, also gets the record number in the table, takes this anonymous inner class object. Anonymous inner class object. Actually here, object is created for anonymous inner class that is implementing row mapper interface. Takes that object. On that object calls map row method having result set comma record number as the arguments. We are copying record of result set to employee object, guys. Okay, that employee object goes to definition of query for object method. That will go to what? DAO class definition. That will go to what? Come on. Service class method definition. That will go to what? Service class method definition. Are you getting my point there or not? Everyone got the clarity? Yes. Okay. So now let me paste this code, guys. Now let me write a code. Since we need row mapper, callback interface based inner class logic only in one method call. Only in one method call called query for object. Only in one method call. Called query for method. It is better to use anonymous inner class. It's better to use anonymous inner class support. It's better to use anonymous inner class support. Everyone getting my point here, guys? Copy this. Say paste. Copy this, say paste. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on, are you with me? Yes. Okay, what's happening here? Right. In this one, multiple things are happened, boss. In this one, by seeing this new operator before interface name, are you thinking that we have created object for interface? That we have created object for interface? No. If you are in that thinking, please come out of that. We have not created any object for interface, guys. No. It is the object created for anonymous inner class that implements interface. That implements interface. Are you getting my point? arg2. This entire thing is arg2. Tell me what's happening in this arg2. Yeah. In arg2, the following activities are happened. In arg2, the following activities are happened. Yeah. In arg2, the following activities are happened. 1. NYMUS, anonymous inner class is created implementing row mapper interface. One anonymous inner class is created implementing row mapper interface. In that inner class, map row method is implemented. Map row method is implemented. Having logic to copy result set object record to. Okay, result set object record to employee class object, nothing but model class object. C. Employee class object, nothing but model class object, guys. Okay, guys. Employee class object, simply nothing but model class object. Right, guys. Right, guys. Employee class object, third one. Object is created for new row mapper. Object is created for new row mapper. Created for anonymous NYMUS, anonymous inner class, and that object is passed to query for object method. Query for object method as a second argument value. As a second argument value. Guys, those who know little bit about inner classes, I hope you convinced. That means in the second parameter itself, this many things happen, guys. Here itself one class is created implementing row mapper interface, right? Here itself, one method is implemented inside that class. Okay, what is that? Is map row, copying result set record to a model class object. In this itself, object is created for that anonymous inner class and passed it as what? Second argument to query for object method. Come on, tell me. Code wise, it looks a bit heavy, but it is reducing number of lines in your code. Did you notice it? Moreover, when you need inner class only in one method call, why should I write as a separate normal inner class? Why should I give more visibility to that? Why should I give more visibility to that? At that particular time, working with anonymous inner class is quite easy or not? Speak out, guys. Speak out. I want reply from you people. Right, boss. Okay, now listen. Okay, this is nice. This is really nice. We enjoyed it. But I can do one more improvisation. Anyone studied Java 8 features? Anyone studied about Java 8 features? Anyone heard about lambda expressions? Lambda expressions. When you want to develop implementation class for interface, when you want to develop implementation class for interface, lambda expression much simplifies the code or not? It simplifies the code more and more or not? Come on. Lambda is all about developing implementation class and calling methods, right? Okay, but can we write lambda expression based implementation class for every interface or only for functional interface? For every interface or only for functional interface? Only for functional interface. What is functional interface? Tell me. The interface that contains only one method declaration. That contains only one method declaration in the declaration. Abstract method, directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly is called functional interface. Sir, I didn't understand. What do you mean by indirectly? Array, first interface is extending from second interface, guys. First interface is extending from second interface. Tell me. In that situation, interface belongs to second interface also visible in first interface or not? Are you getting my point there or not, guys? Come on. So directly or indirectly is called functional interface. Though you are inheriting from another interface, then also the inherited sub-interface should have max of one abstract method. Then it is called functional interface. Otherwise, it is called normal interface, guys. Okay, now let me ask one question, guys. Row mapper results at extractor. Okay, are functional interfaces or not? Row mapper is having how many method declarations, guys? One method. Map row, apart from map row, nothing is there. Directly, indirectly, only one method. Functional interface. Results at extractor, functional interface. Or functional interfaces are called functional interfaces. Row mapper results at extractor are called functional interfaces because they are having only one method declaration. They are having only one method declaration, guys. They are having only one method declaration. Yes. Right, guys. Developing implementation class as anonymous inner class. Implementation class for anonymous inner class for functional interface is very much simplified using lambda expressions. Using lambda expressions. Are you understanding my point, guys? Super, guys. Okay, but only for functional interface, not for every interface. You want to feel it? Same story. Actually, I should give directly lambda expression based anonymous inner class. but I know so many people have not studied Java 8 that much efficiently. That's why I'm preparing background one by one. First normal inner class, then I created the situation, need of what? Anonymous inner class. Now I'm telling anonymous inner class coding can be simplified using lambda expression. You will be surprised by seeing the code. You will be surprised by seeing the code. You feel that some magic is happening in the code, but actually magic is not happening. Lambda expression internally take care of so many things. This is the exact method that we are using. First to query, then row mapper, then arguments. Query we passed, arguments we passed. Query we passed, argument we passed. Done, semicolon. Query we passed, arguments we passed, guys. Here is what? Written EMP. Here is written EMP. And earlier, this is argument 1. This is argument 2. Arg 2. Listen, guys. Listen, guys. Listen, guys. What is the parameter? RS comma into one method, and that method parameters are these two things. Check it out. You don't write anything, just write RS comma row num. Hey, not compulsory, you should take RS, guys. Anything else also you can take. Open floor bracket, closing floor bracket. RS comma row num. Array, not fixed names. You can take any other names also. Okay, guys. Here you copy result set record into this. Here you copy result set records into this. Array, here already EMP is there. Na? If you take same variable, it will be problem. So here I will take E. Here I will take E so that I can continue employee 1. Yeah, don't you think it is argument 2, guys? Don't you think it is argument 2, guys? Easy na, boss? Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class implementing map row method. Simply implementing map row method. Life is simplified, maybe. If I don't show this, it looks directly very horrible. But now you can compare. So it is lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class implementing directly this one. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Super. End of the method. Copy this, my dear. Vinith, in real time, you have to use lambda expression based inner class directly. Okay. Mr. Vinith, in real time, people writes directly lambda expression based code to make you to understand. I am giving all the 3 levels. Please. Okay. Don't think that industry people will have a lot of time to waste to see first one, second one, third one. Please, guys, industry needs output, not the process. But here we have to understand the process. That's why I'm giving the stuff. Are you listening my statement? Okay. Yes, guys. Yeah, if you practice, you can directly write lambda expression based anonymous inner class, boss. It's all about practicing. If you ask me to write directly, I can write also. But to make you to understand, because whenever I take any advanced core Java feature, you will shout on me. I know that. So that's why I'm taking step by step. I'm first giving what you know. From there, I'm improvising. So that not only I can give the code, I can make you to understand the code. Okay. This is functional programming symbol, lambda expression symbol, guys. By seeing this one, it will understand. Oh, second parameter type is row mapper. Here, this fellow, okay, by seeing this symbol, it will think that internally anonymous inner class object is created, implementing row mapper interface, and map row method is implemented here. Map row method is, yes, whatever I said, 3 operations, same 3 operation happens. Only the thing is you don't write everything on your own. You don't write everything on your own. This is arg2. arg2. Lambda expression based. Anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Implementing row mapper interface. Implementing and row map interface and providing definition for map row method. Providing definition for map row method. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. This is my argument 1. This is my argument 2. Convinced, guys? Flow is same. Flow is same. By seeing this, it will assume that actually second parameter type is row mapper, but this fellow has written like this. It will understand, oh, internally I should develop what? In anonymous inner class implementing row mapper interface, and I should implement map row method, and map row method logic I should collect from here. And at the end, it has to have to create object for what? That anonymous inner class should pass as an argument value. Everything, whatever we did here, everything happens. Only the thing is, we don't write the code manually. Everything happens automatically. Everything takes place automatically. Enjoyed my statement, guys? Right. With this row mapper. Now onwards, wherever functional interface is there, directly start working with a lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Don't write 3 levels code, 4 levels code. Result set extractor. Result set extractor. Another callback interface, guys. Another callback interface. Okay, interface, that callback interface that is given, okay, to process the multiple records stored into result set object. To process the multiple records stored into result set object. Stored into result set object. Come on, guys. And to stored into result set object and to copy them to list of model or BO class objects. List of model or BO class objects. It is a functional interface. When should I use row mapper? For one record processing. When should I use result set extractor? For multiple record processing. It is functional interface. It is functional interface having method called extract data result set rs. Public list e extract data result set RS. This is the method we are having, boss. This is what we need to. Okay. Signature of the query method that takes result set extractor as the parameter type. Result set extractor as the parameter type. Okay, let's see, guys, what is the method we are having. jt.query. There is a method called jt.query. So there is a method taking result set extractor, but I want to pass parameter values also. When you decided to pass parameter values, I think this method, I think this method, I think this one. Yes, guys. Query. Results at extractor object argument values. Results at extractor object argument values. Are you seeing this method signature, guys? Return type is T. Whatever T you pass here, same return type here. If you pass X, X is the return type. Y is the return type. So this is the signature of the method, boss. This is literally the signature of the method. Are you comfortable, boss? This is literally solidly the signature of the method, boss. Right. Query string SQL, results at extractor TRSC, object .RSC, JDBC template. What template, guys? JDBC template. Cool. Okay, let's see now. Let's see. Okay, sir, what is your requirement? I want to get employee details whose designations are matching with the given 3 designations. That is my requirement. Shall I design the method now? But I don't want to see records coming in the form of map objects, records coming in the form of list of map objects. I want to get the records coming in the form of list of model class objects. What objects, guys? List of model class objects. Okay, earlier we used to see multiple records coming in the form of list of map objects. Now I want to see multiple records coming in the form of what? List of model class objects. List employee, get employee details by designation. String designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total 3 designations are there, guys. Designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Super. Yes, boss. Now, here I want to work with. Array, tell me result set extractor story. See the documentation of result set extractor once. I will straight away write result set extractor docs. That's the beauty of Java is type the class name, say docs. You will get the documentation support. T. What is the method we are having? Extract data this. Extract data this. Just result set. Okay, boss. Shall I go for that one now? I'm taking return type as list employee. EMP's list is equal to list employee EMP's list is equal to. I am directly giving in the form of lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. What is this here? Lambda based ANON anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class, guys. Right, boss. Let's go for it. Employee list. JT.query. Method is query. First, we have to decide the query, guys. Let's decide the query. Get employees by designations. Where job in how many question marks? 3 question marks, because I would like to give 3 designations, guys. Job in. Let's come back now. Query. What is the first parameter, guys? Query. What is the query? Get EMPs by designation. Second parameter, gap. Third parameter is varargs. Varargs are means multiple parameter. Designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total 3 designations, guys. Designation 1, designation 2, designation. Right, guys? Okay, here, observe. Second parameter, RS flower bracket, open bracket, and closing bracket. That's it. Why RSR? Okay, how many methods are there? One method. In that one method, how many parameters are there? One parameter. Not compulsory you should take RS, guys. You can take any other name. You not compulsory you should take like this. You can take any name. But it is directly defining the method, guys. That's the beauty of what? Anonymous inner class. That's the beauty of anonymous inner class. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. No need of taking brackets for single param. No need of taking brackets for single param. If more than one param, then only brackets are required. Study, ra babu. Study. Okay, guys. Copy the multiple records of RS2 list of model class objects. List of model class objects. Now listen. List employee. Tell me. EMPs. Okay. List employee. EMPs. New array list of. What is this? Employee. New array list of employee. Cool. List employees, new array list of employee. Tell me, guys, while RS dot next. While RS dot next. Cool, guys. Right. Each iteration, one record. Array, my query gives one record or multiple records. So definitely multiple records. Each iteration, one record. One record I want to copy to one employee class object. Employee EMP is equal to new employee of. Cool, guys. Copy each record of RS2. Each record of RS2, one object of employee class. Right. EMP dot set employee number RS dot get int of 1. set employee name rs dot get string of 2. Set employee job rs dot get string of 3. emp dot set salary rs dot get float of 4. emp dot tell me guys, set department number rs dot get int of 1. Yeah, each record is copied to an employee class object. Okay. Add each object of model class to list collection. Yeah, this is 5 boss, no doubt. List collection. Tell me guys, list emps dot add. List emps dot add emp. List emps dot add this. Control plus shift plus O. This is what? End of the while loop. This is end of the while loop. ANO anonymous inner class. Semicolon. Anonymous inner class semicolon. This is my first parameter. This is my second parameter. This is second parameter. This is third parameter. Why error is coming? Is ambiguous. Why it is ambiguous? Should not be ambiguous. We passed everything. I will tell. Should not be ambiguous. Okay, fine. Right. EMP's list. Return EMP's list. Where 2 commas, guys? Where 2 commas has come? First one, second one. It's right. First one, second one, third one. Semicolon. Yeah, everything is perfect. It is saying that I am ambiguous. I am ambiguous. Ocha. It is saying that there is object array also. There I am worried. There is object array also. There I am worried, boss. Ayo. It's not giving problem for second parameter, guys. It's giving problem for third parameter. You look at this. Why I will tell. jt.query. jt.query method. Check it out. Go down. It is saying that I am confusion. You are asking me to take this signature, but this is very much nearer to even this signature also. This is very much nearer to even this signature. It is saying that yours is matching with some other signature. Yours is matching with what? Array based signature. Somewhere array based signature is there, that is also matching. Okay. That is what worried about it. That is what worried about it. Okay. But I'm very sure about using this version only. Right. Let it be. Now we'll try to solve this ambiguous problem. Wait. Results at extract. Acha, it is taking what type, guys? Results at extractor object type. But we want what type? We want what type? List of employees, right? No. We want what type? List of employees. Are you getting my point? List of employees. 1 minute. List employee. Why it is ambiguous, Ra Babu? Why it is worried about ambiguous? Are multiple designations means arguments array only, na? No, it should Varrox we pass like this only, boss. Varrox we pass like this only. Multiple question marks will go to multiple things. That's right. Varrox we should pass like this only. Why it is suffering us? 1 minute. Let me go through it. When you got this kind of confusion, we can take support from here. Result set extractor implementation using anonymous inner, using lambda anonymous inner class. See, our thought is nice, guys. Our thought is nice. Simple JDBC template with this one. Jars they have given, let it be. Let us inspire, because whatever thought we got, that thought is not working. So, oh, fine. What they are taking? They are taking what? Anonymous inner class they are taking. They are not taking lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Yes, here is the lambda expression based anonymous inner class, guys. Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Okay. Right, guys. See, select query. Second parameter is this. Okay. Third parameter is this. That's fine. But that's what I have taken here also. That is the same thing I have taken here. Did you notice that? List.add emp return list. But in this process, they are not passing third arguments, guys. In this process, they are not passing third argument. Our thought, their thought, nice, guys. But they are not passing any third argument. Understanding? Okay. But we are getting issue with what? Third parameter. We are getting issue with what? Third parameter. Acha. Here, mistake is happened here. I will tell what. Where is the mistake happened? After while loop, we should return this list employee collection or not? Yes, list EMPS. Yes, mistake is ours. We are doing this angama, but we are forgetting to return that list. If this list is not gone to this method, how does it can return back, guys? How does it can return back? Did you notice it? Problem we thought here. Problem is not there. It is in confusion. If this method is, if this code is not returning list of employees, okay, how it can return back to the client application? That is a mistake. I think you realize it where we have gone wrong. Here we have forward this return statement. That's why it's happening like this. So let it be. So let me explain the flow. What's happening here? JT.query method. JT gets what object? Data source object. From data source object gets what object? Connection object. From connection object, it gets what? Prepared statement object having this query as precompiled query. And designation 1, 2, 3 will be set as what? Query parameter values. Super. Executes the query. Gets the result set object with a bunch of records. Let us assume 10 records. Okay, now internally created anonymous inner class object is taken, that is implementing result set extractor. Internally created anonymous inner class object will be taken, that is implementing what? Result set extractor. On that object, extract data method is called, having RS object as the argument. Anyhow, extract data method is internally copying Result set records to employee class objects, and employee class objects are added to list collection. The employee class objects are added to list collection. Come on. List collection is written back to query. Query returns to DAO class method. DAO class method returns to service class method. DAO class method returns to service class method. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Okay. DAO class method returns to service class method. Service class method, now we have to process, guys. So now let's go to service class method here. Okay, service here. I'll give diagram, memory diagram also I will do, don't worry. Come to this place. Public list employee. Fetch employees by designations. String designation 1, designation 2, designation 3. Total how many designations, guys? 3 designations. Java.util.list. Super, guys. Add unimplemented methods. Cool, guys. Here. Return service dot return service dot DAO dot designation 1, designation 2, designation 2. Array, I'm directly returning, boss. Here is my client application. Here is my client application. Super. Sys out. Try block, guys. List employees, list MPS is equal to service dot fetch employees by designation. First one clerk, then what is what? Manager. Third one is what, guys? Third one is salesman. Third one is salesman. List EMPs dot for each EMP. Sys out. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println EMP. And I'm just going through this for this one, guys. System dot out dot println. End of the try block. Catch DataAccessException. DAE dot print status. DAE dot print status. I hope you understood this point, guys. Salesman. Okay. Now let's run the application now. First one record here. Salesman manager, salesman manager, salesman clerk manager, clerk manager. Array, we are getting all the employee details who are having either clerk or manager or salesman designation or not. Sir, they are not coming in a proper order, sir. Yes, I do understand. Okay, I'll just add one word in the query, then they will come in order. Order by job. What is that, guys? Order by job. Callback interfaces test. Callback. First clerk, then manager, then salesman. Came or not came? First clerk, then manager, then salesman. Came or not came, boss? Everyone got the clarity, boss. Is that clear? Understood? Focus. Right. Okay. Now listen. EMPDAO class nice. Here is my this one. DAO class using result set extract. DAO class using result set extract. Say paste. DAO class using result set extractor. First one we already discussed, guys. Now I'm talking about the second one. This is my argument, argu1. This is my argu1, guys. Up to this, my argu2. This is my argu2. What is this? Anonymous inner class based. Anonymous inner class based. Anonymous inner class. Anonymous inner class based. Anonymous inner class object. Anonymous inner, okay. Inner class object using lambda expressions. Using lambda expression, that is arg2. Yes, arg3. Varargs, guys. arg3 varargs. Varargs. Supplying query parameter values. Come on, are you with me? Right. Okay, now listen. We are not getting column names. Who said we are getting column names? Check it out. These are not column names. These are my property names. These are property names. They are not column names. Sorry, you are mistaking. ToString method is displaying. Actually, column names came from database. In the ToString method, they are there. That's why they are coming. Here, no memory allocated. See this. In ToString method, employee number is equal to employee number. Mr. Raju, employee name is equal to employee name. Job is equal to job. If they are not coming from database and not stored as a keys, in the ToString method, we decorated them. We decorated. That's why they are coming. Good observation, but wrong observation. Is it definitely good observation? I appreciate it, right? Row number is nothing but which record is selected. We never used that one. If you want to know out of 10 record it has selected which record, then we have to go for it. Yes, guys. This is my result set object, guys. This is BFR. This is ALR. This is RS. Right, guys. 101. Raja, Hyderabad, clerk. 101 Raja, Hyderabad, clerk. Okay, 9,000. I think Hyderabad is not there. Clerk. 9,000. Salary is 900. Department number is 101. Oh, 10 department I will do. 102. Rajesh. Clerk. Here I will give manager. 20 department. One not three. Rakesh. What is this? Salesman. 11,000 30th department. What we are doing, guys, in the loop, we are copying each record into one employee class object. Employee object 1. Employee object 2. Employee object 3. Employee object 2. Here is 2. Done, guys. Here is my list collection. List collection. Array list object. Here is my array list object. Yeah, first record will be copied to this, guys. And that will be added as the element of the array list. That will be added as the element of the array list. Then second record will be copied, guys. That will be added as the element of the array list. Third record will be copied, guys. That will be added as the element of the array list. Definitely it will be added as the element of the array list or not. 101 Raja clerk 90,010. 102. Okay, 20. 103 Rakesh 9. What is that? 11,000. This. Okay, guys. Rakesh Kumar, in this example, not required. In future, you may need the hash map also. In future, we may need the hash map, but in this example, list is enough because we don't want any keys now, boss. We want only records. Each record copied into one employee class object. Check it out. While rs.net come to first record, we are copying each record into one array employee object. Come on, guys. Copied. We are adding to list collection. Adding to list collection. While rs.next second record. Second record. Again, we are copying to another object. Yes, this one. Adding to this. While rs.next third record into an employee class object. That also we are adding. Come on, my code and diagram is matching or not matching, boss? But are you okay? But earlier we used to get list of map objects. But today we are getting list of employee class object. That means you are able to customize the results or not. Definitely we are able to customize the results in the way we want. Industry standard is list of map objects or list of model class objects. See, now order by also working, guys. Order by also working. First all clerks, then all manager, then all this one. There are many ways to process this list collection, guys. Different ways you want to process, I will tell now. Listen. List EMPs dot for each EMP floor bracket arrow. Floor. If there is one line to write, there is no need of taking what? Floor bracket opening and closing also. System.out.println EMP semicolon. If there is one line to write, there is no need of taking floor bracket opening and closing. Yes, output is coming now, boss. Right. Either or. Okay. List EMPs dot. List EMPs dot. Come on, guys. for each. This is very fantastic, boss. System dot out colon println. Method reference operator, guys. Method reference operator. Are you getting my point? List. Yeah, 1 minute. List MPS for each. List MPS for each. EMP arrow. Yeah, what is the syntax, guys? I forgot. What is the syntax for it? I want list EMPS dot for each. Method reference operator is there, guys. Method reference operator is there. Directly I can write a system dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Here I have written 4 brackets, guys. Semicolon. Yes, gone. Earlier also I have written same thing. I don't know where I have gone. This is method reference operator. All these are Java 8 features or constructor reference, method reference. Internally this code only. Internally it is this code only, but you need not write everything. Yes. Kema, not Kema. All are same, boss. All are same. This is traditional. Since one line is there to write, floor bracket is optional. This is improved one. This is method reference. Your work is just printing received object. No need of writing this also. You can use method reference operator, guys. So whatever coming in each iteration will be printed through println method. Will be printed through println method. Got it? Yes. Now I am committing the code. I think these 2 are the classes I have to commit. Share project, Git staging, team commit, callback interfaces code. Done. Okay. Now listen, everyone, please watch these videos in next 4 or 5 days. Please watch these videos in next 4 or 5 days. Please watch these videos in next 4 or 5 days. I think Java annotation fundamentals you already watch. Java Bean videos also you already watched. But on safe side, one more time I am giving. Everyone, Java Bean videos I already watched. Yeah, this is most important video. Lambda KPI videos you have to watch. And complete Maven workshop videos, guys. These are complete Maven workshop videos. So these are the videos that you have to watch in the vacation. Yeah, what is vacation, sir? Generally, Amirpet Naresh Technology is having one tradition, taking 4 or 5 days vacation for Dasra festival, taking 4 or 5 days vacation for Pongal festival. 4 or 5 days vacation for Dasra festival, 4 or 5 days vacation for Pongal festival. Are you listening? Are you listening, guys? Okay. Last 3 links have not come. Oh, they have not come. 1 minute. I think I have placed it for one individual person, not for everyone. Copy, paste. Now everyone check it out. Now everyone check it out. Done, boss. Yeah. Okay, listen. Next class is on October 19th, Tuesday. Next class is on October 19th, Tuesday. Don't worry, I'll upload all the notes, whatever I have. Right. These links again, I'll keep in the group as a common topic. Don't worry. Right. Happy Dasara. Use time for watching videos and also relax for a few days. Too much of Java is also not that much good for health. Relax, but watch the videos. Whenever you feel bored, watch the videos. In the coming classes, I'm going to use. Okay, those videos related content. Got it? Thank you. All the best. Have a nice time. We'll meet on October 19th.